What's up, doll collectors, hobbyists, fabs, and besties? I'm Toya, an adult doll collector. Welcome to my miniverse. Let's check the comments. Toya, I like the wall boxes, but can you make them using cardboard? Yeah, I think we can. Let's give it a try. I'm in the basement today, so I don't have my usual large cutting mat on my craft table, but we're gonna make it work. Let's take cardboard and draw a 13 by 12 inch rectangle. Cut on the lines drawn, cut 3-inch strips for the sides, top, and bottom. I'm gonna use a little poster board and cut 3-inch strips to glue onto the sides to smooth them out. I'm using a glue stick to attach them to the cardboard. Now it's smooth and we can't see any of the lines from the cardboard. I repeat for all 4 sides. For the back wall, let's pick out a wallpaper. This is a heavyweight scrapbook paper that I bought at Michael's. At the top, it says Miniature Prints, Impressions Miniatures, and they're kind of perfect for the dollhouse. We only get 2 of each page. I like this. It has a little floral to it, but I like this one too. This one has gold foiling, but I kind of like this. It's kind of busy, but it screams wallpaper to me, so let's do it. This is a 12 by 12 piece of scrapbook paper, so it will cover most of the back wall, leaving an inch at the bottom that we can cover with a leftover piece of poster board. Let's bring in the side walls and see how it looks. Let's add a strip of pink onto the side walls. Let's try a dark wood on the floor. So now that we have our back wall with wallpaper, our 2 pink side walls, white ceiling, and brown floor, we can begin gluing them together. I'm using hot glue to attach them right on the back wall, trimming the floor and ceiling as needed so they can fit in between. Now that our box is assembled, you can see that we have a few raw edges. We can cover them with strips of cardstock or scrapbook paper. I've got some ribbon. I want to try to use it to make some curtains. I fold over and glue the bottom. I cut a length that can go over the top of the box. This ribbon has wire in it, so I'm just going to fold over that edge and glue it down. On both sides, we can make a few small folds, glue it onto the edge. We can pull it back and glue it to the wall. Glue a small piece of ribbon over it, glue it at the top. Repeat on both sides to make a quick wall that we can decorate. Let's add our new vanity. Since this room has a ceiling, we can glue on a chandelier from 5 Below to start building a scene. And you know what? We could use another wall. So I made another one, but before we add the curtains, let's add a few shelves. I cut 1.5 inch strips of cardboard, glued 2 together for strength. Cover it with wood grain paper on the sides that will be visible. I made 2 and I glue them into the box. Add the curtains. Let's take a few wooden cutouts and a wooden dowel. I cut the wooden dowel into 2.5 inch pieces. Glue it in between the 2 cutouts. I used a little hot glue. Then I painted brown. Allow it to dry. Then painted gold. Allow it to dry. Take another cutout. Glue a pom-pom on top, cover it with a circle of fabric, stretching the fabric over the side and gluing it underneath. Then glue it on top to make a stand for our wigs. We can just place our doll wig on top, then place it on the shelf to have a place to store it when not in use. And with this new wall box, we can expand the scene and create like a dressing room. Add a few more wigs to the shelf. We can make another wall. Let's add a shelf at the top. Add a gold painted wooden dowel. Add another curtain so we can add a quick closet to this space. Place a few dresses on hangers and place them in the closet so the dolls can do their hair, makeup, and get dressed for the day. Cut green cardstock to make a plant. Place it in a plastic cap. Then add it to the room for a touch of greenery. Add a rug. This is a placemat that I found on Amazon a while back. And this new space is pretty much done. Since we can move the walls around, we can position them however we want. Here, I brought them in closer to make a square. I placed a few lights across the top, so the room is well lit and feels like a large dressing room. Or I can place them side by side to open up this space and try on some new clothes. I took advantage of a sale on Mattel Creations a while back and got these Barbie Style fashion packs for 50% off. These have been out for a while, and I was so happy to finally get them on sale. Mini Toya is close by, so we're going to use her as a model. It looks like this dress has ribbons that tie at the shoulders, but it has snaps in the back, lavender ribbons that tie at the shoulder, ruffles across the chest, a floral print, on a dress that stops about mid-thigh. We get sunglasses, a gold-colored bracelet, purple heels, a pink satin bag with pleats. It is open at the top, so we can hold the included lipstick, with a cap that is removable. And it gives us another mini to place on our vanity. The second outfit is a long-sleeve white crop button-up shirt with faux buttons in the front, a collar. It opens and closes with snaps in the back. Paired with gray high-waisted pants with a stripe, a belt at the waist, a silver buckle. They also have a snap in the back. These are wide leg pants. We get a pair of white sneakers, a gold-colored bracelet, a faux leather black bag, sunglasses with painted gold details, and a black baseball cap. The gray pants and the white shirt are definitely my favorite, and getting them on sale makes it even better. So I'll definitely be keeping an eye on Mattel Creations for more sales in the future. Thank you for joining us while we made a few things for our dolls, including these new wig stands, which are totally gonna come in handy. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram and YouTube at MyFroggyStuff and Bella of MyFroggyStuff on Instagram. And we will see you next time. Bye!